Okay, so previously I built this tiny library called ppu-yolo-onnx-inference. This library is meant to, use YOLO model in your JavaScript or TypeScript project, especially in Bun. And now I'm just gonna demonstrate on how to use it. It's pretty easy. So in order to use it, I must have YOLO model, obviously. So for the demo sake, I just train a new simple model using Coco 128 dataset, which consists of 128 images, and do 100 epochs, and then just export it as ONX type. And this is the source code, just a simple Hono app, and here it is the initiation. We point to the ONX model, and then the class is the full class, and a simple front end which open up webcam. So let's just start it using bun start. Let's open the local host. Let's start the camera, allow it. Hello there. So let's just start the live detection, shall we? Alright, that's looking good. It's now detecting me as a person finally. And let's just add some more class. Probably I'm gonna try to detect this clock. Right, it's detecting perfectly. And you can toy with this the confident, the FPS, and so the source code for this will be published in my GitHub organization. You could just use it. And thank you. Have a nice day.